I would not be in my role if not for the life-saving work that community health centers made possible here in Massachusetts. Many of you all might know that I grew up in an immigrant family. You could ask anyone growing up alongside me, my siblings, my college best friends, and they would have said I would have been the last person they expected to go into politics. I am not political by nature and am on a learning curve for a lot of it still. But my family went through what so many of our families end up having unexpectedly to face. Very serious health challenges. And in the case of my mom, serious, what felt like very sudden mental health challenges. And every place that we tried to go, every time I tried to persuade her to seek care, coming out of a culture where there was so much skepticism and stigma around mental health, when I finally got there, the emergency room at the hospital or this doctor's office or that one, it made it worse. She felt even less herself. I watched as the cultural barriers, the language barriers, led to even a greater sense of dehumanization. And it wasn't until we were in it felt like the depths of crisis here in Boston. I had made my way here, I was starting law school, she had been to the ER at Mass General, and then finally, upon getting discharged, finally someone said, you know what, go check out South Cove Community Health Center. Go check out the health center in Chinatown. And that was the very first place that my mom felt, not just seen as a patient, but actually seen as a human being. And I'm still about to cry, remembering the feeling of what it felt like to be in that room with her and see her for the first time talking to her doctor in her native language, feeling that sense of connection, that this person understood who she was, where she had been, the culture and connection, that there was no other insurance coverage or resource that could possibly end up describing that priceless, can't even put words to it sense that you are seen and you are welcome and you are recognized as a human being who is part of our community and who deserves every opportunity in our community. So thank you for what you do to make those moments possible and to make the lives that unfold from those moments possible. Today I live in a 2-family home. My mom is downstairs. She comes up every morning and I can hop in the shower while she handles the baby for a little bit of time. And I know that there is a very real chance, if not for that community health center in Chinatown, that her life might not have been saved in the throes of mental illness, where we were at that moment and all that she had been struggling with. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for what you do. Thank you for the families that we count as part of our community and for the community that we get to benefit from together. Even in this moment, even with everything else happening in the world, I know Boston's gonna be okay because we have 60 years under our belt of your leadership and decades more to come. Congratulations.